During this pandemic, all of our essential frontline industries are working hard to keep supply lines continuing for the public. At Nutralab today, AI and automation technologies have brought us the synergy and benefits of GMP and efficiency, as well as keeping our staff healthy with social distancing. Nutralab is equipped with the most innovative packaging and advanced automation manufacturing technologies. It is your one-stop service for all your private label supplement production needs, from raw materials to finished products. At Nutralab, we care for our staff and customers' health and are committed to safer, better manufacturing during this time of need.